Do you ever go to a coffee shop and wonder, what exactly is the difference between flat white, latte, and cappuccino? Certainly, there are many opinions on how to prepare these three drinks, and each cafe may have their own way, but I would love to show you how I do it. First, let's talk about what's similar. The three drinks consist of essentially the same elements: espresso, steamed milk, and foam. Now the difference is, how is the texture of that milk? Think of it this way. When steaming milk, we will introduce air and heat the milk at the same time. And that's when we create the microfoam. Lattes have a lovely silky texture. With that kind of microfoam that makes possible all the beautiful latte art you see online, when you drink it, you notice there's about half an inch of foam on top. The rest is delicious steamed milk and coffee. For your latte, your barista aerated your milk just enough for it to become a delightful foamy cup of coffee and at just the right temperature for it to be as sweet as it can be. When it comes to the flat white, think of it like heated milk with only a thin layer of foam on top. Your barista didn't allow too much air for this one. The result is a balanced drink where the milk is simply supporting the espresso. Pouring latte art is possible, but since the milk is thinner, it is not only harder, but also the result will look much different. Finally, a cappuccino will have lots of foam in it, almost an inch high. You can enjoy this with no shame and wear your own milk mustache with this one, as I did. To craft your cappuccino, your barista had to let a lot of air in, just stretching the milk consistently to offer you a thick, sweet top of foam, followed by your steamed milk and espresso. Now that you know the differences, what will you order next time you go to a coffee shop? The cat wants to know. Tell him in the comments. Thank you.